everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm very happy that you are watching me again. Now in this video, I'm trying to create a series of learning for DevOps, just starting from the very scratch. I realized that many people started subscribing my channel. It seemed that the way I teach maybe is very helpful to some people, and I'm expecting to improve in the near future. So what I have done is I have strategically organized the content in such a way that it is easily accessible to you and you can revisit the content whenever you want to. So let me show you what you need to do while following my content. FYI, the name is DevOps Learning in 10 Weeks. Now, I'm expecting you to follow my lead for 10 weeks. Of course, you can manage it according to your own pace. Take as much time as possible, because at the end of the day, creating pipelines, doing hands-on is at most important.
Okay, so as you can see my LinkedIn, this is the newsletter, Automation Pulse, DevOps AI. Of course, don't go on the subscribers. I've not been very regular. So this is the platform where you will find all the important discussions that I will do, my perceptions, my learning journey, the problems I've faced. Then you can, the second part is you can fork this repository. It is exclusively for you. Right now it's in the private mode. I will convert it into public, and then you can go through all these things and add more information accordingly. What you can do is you can fork this repository, create your own files, folders, save it in local and push it. Okay, feel free to contribute to it. I'll also add contribution file so that I can also update my repository accordingly. Now the third thing is you need to go to this Notion page where you will find all the important notes that I will be creating. Now this has all the important links. Of course, it's the very start, so you are not able to see many list of content. It's not content rich yet, but if you can see, I have added shell scripting, complete course, chapters and all, and I have added projects as well. You can create these projects in GitHub in your real life also. The main agenda here is to actually do the hands-on, less of theory. And then you have my YouTube page to follow, subscribe, where you will find certain projects that I will be doing. Now here is my YouTube page. I'll be talking less about theory in this. I will be talking more about workflows and actual application of the technology or the script or whatever tool I'm using. Please make sure you follow this playlist because it is specifically for the challenge of 10 weeks of DevOps, right? So I hope you understood and you make sure that you follow all these platforms. I think there are 4 platforms, the LinkedIn, newsletters, the GitHub repository, and Notion, and of course this YouTube. So that is more than enough. Now, second thing that you need to do apart from all these, you need to install Git and Python in your system, right? So do that, and then we can start with week 1 as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. Wishing you a very successful career ahead. Thank you.